back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Guys, I got an awesome video for you here today. Kind of like a ramble video where I just want to really help you guys out because in these times where everyone's at home and stuff, this is a great opportunity to actually earn some income using a strategy that you would not normally use in your everyday life. Because the great thing about now is that so many people are on the internet watching, consuming, and watching content. That can be YouTube, that can be streaming TV, or watching live streams on Twitch or Mixer or YouTube, even for that matter. And I'm gonna tell you guys like the best way, in my opinion, how you guys can make money right now. So there's two things I want to go over in this video. The first one is you could start a YouTube channel, which is very popular. I don't know the specific stat on watch time. I knew it. I think it was like, yeah. I think watch time on YouTube is up 60% right now. So imagine that 60% more watch time is going on YouTube right now. That's huge. That is like actually huge. I don't know like how the amount of hours YouTube has in terms of watch time, but 60%, that's a lot. That's a huge increase. Um, and if you are able to get your content out there early on trending topics and stuff like that, you could blow up on YouTube very quickly right now, because everyone's staying at home. And I've heard that even like ads or companies are still using ads to get their or to market their products still, which is a little surprising because usually in these times they don't usually have the budget for marketing. But I guess ads on YouTube are worth it. Maybe they're seeing growth in those ads. I'm sure billboard ads are doing horrible right now considering no one's on the road. And I guess marketing through YouTube, Twitch, and influencers is just, I guess, really popular right now. It's the only thing that they can do since no one's actually out in public. So yeah, guys, starting a YouTube channel, hopping on huge trends, just being entertaining, or like just bringing value in general. And if you upload, I'm foolproof plan right here. I mean, this isn't foolproof, but you create a concept, create a theme on your channel, and this is, I'm talking from scratch, obviously. If you want to create a new one, or if you have an existing one, just try to upload as many videos as possible, because with all those eyes out there right now, you want to be putting as much content on your channel, or even if you're on Twitch, as much as possible. The more you put out there, the more likely someone's going to see your content and actually subscribe. And once you hit 1,000 subs on YouTube, then you start earning revenue, and you can go from there. Then you can start dealing with sponsorships, donations, super chat, all that fun stuff, and it's worth it. It really is. And then the other thing I want to go over, other than starting a YouTube channel, is just live streaming. Live streaming right now is so popular, especially on Twitch and especially on YouTube. Mixer, I don't think the viewer base on Mixer is very good, to be honest. I know Ninja streams over there, but to me, he would probably be doing better on Twitch in terms of like his follower engagement. But I know Mixer paid him an absolute ton of money to stream there, just to bring more people over to their platform. But yeah, live streaming, guys. If you want to go start a Twitch channel, this is the time to do it. Go stream a popular game. Modern Warfare Warzone is right now really popular. If you want to go stream that, you'll definitely get a lot of eyes watching it. Personally, I've been streaming Battlefront 2 over on Gaming Made Easy. I've been seeing success with that. It's just, I don't know, with all the eyes on YouTube, someone's going to watch your live stream. Someone's going to find it. It's going to pop up. Usually it's easier for people to find you if you're streaming. You also can create a better one-on-one connection when you're live streaming. And when you're live streaming, at least on Twitch, I'm not sure the specific policies on Twitch when it comes to earning revenue. I know, is it 50 followers or is it 100? I'm not. You guys comment down below what it is. But yeah, I mean, on YouTube, you can start earning revenue when you're live streaming, when you hit 1,000 subs and you become monetized. And you can earn money from super chats, super stickers, people becoming members of your channel. Also, guys, you want to become a member, hit that member button. Exclusive shout outs, all that good stuff. I don't know, you can just read the description if you want to become a member on Life Made Easy. But yeah, it's so worth it in my opinion. And even if you're not monetized on YouTube or Twitch, You can also set up a Streamlabs account and actually receive donations that way. Just have people click your link in the description of your live stream, and it will take them to some website, and yeah, they can donate and like add a sticker, and it'll pop up on your stream, and it'll be cool and everything like that. It's, to me, it's worth it. This is the time to do it, guys. Get motivated, go out, start a YouTube channel. I'm telling you, you can grow. My podcast has seen tremendous growth in the short amount of time we've been doing it. Also, subscribe to the podcast. Links in the description. Life Made Easy podcast. Go check it out. Give it a listen. We're hopefully going to do another episode on the Star Wars season finale, Clone Wars season finale. Should be awesome. But yeah, guys, go out there, start a channel. It's a great way to make money while you're home doing nothing. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy.